Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you a very simple fusilli pasta salad recipe that is amazing for summer meals. We hope you're going to enjoy it as much as we do. So for a portion of 2, you're going to cut a large tomato, sprinkle some olive oil and salt on it. Then you're going to put it into the microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes on the grill option, depending on how much you like your tomatoes cooked. Next step, you're going to get a nice big pan, add in a generous amount of olive oil. When the oil is hot, you're going to add in a large diced carrot and fry it for 3 minutes. After that 3 minutes, you're going to add in a handful of cut green beans and fry the vegetables together for a further 2 minutes. After that 2 minutes, you're then going to add in half a cup of frozen peas and fry the vegetables together for a further 5 minutes, after which your vegetables will be cooked and you can add in your preferred amount of black olives, which you're going to mix together with the vegetables over the heat for a minute, and then you're going to set everything aside to cool. Next step is your pasta. Add salt to taste, 200 grams of fusilli pasta, boil it until it's al dente. When your pasta is cooked, you're then going to either run it under cold water to cool it, or you're going to leave it to cool by itself, then mix it with the vegetables, not forgetting your tomatoes. When you mix everything, make sure everything is everywhere and everybody is touching everybody in that nice big pan. And after that, you're going to season it with some black pepper, a preferred amount, of course. And you're then going to put in some mint. You can either use fresh or dry mint, as I did. When you mix this all up, leave it to rest for about 4 hours so that the pasta can soak in all the flavors before you can eat it. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.